Hey guys, are you want to buy best gaming graphics card? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best gaming graphics card that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ASUS Gaming Graphics Card. This graphics card delivers elite performance built for next-gen AI and gaming workloads. With an impressive 3,593 AI TOPS powered by NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4, it handles demanding tasks with ease. The factory overclock pushes speeds up to 2,610 MHz in OC mode, ensuring smooth performance gains over the default 2,580 MHz setting. Cooling is a standout feature. The quad-fan axial tech design boosts airflow and pressure by up to 20, while the massive 3.8-slot heatsink and optimized fin array keep thermals under control. A patented vapor chamber with a milled heat spreader, combined with a phase-change GPU thermal pad, significantly lowers GPU temperatures for long-term stability. Built using the Auto Extreme manufacturing process, the card offers excellent precision and reliability. GPU Tweak 3 software makes it easy to fine-tune performance, manage thermals, and monitor system stats. Overall, it's a powerful, well-cooled GPU designed for enthusiasts and AI-driven performance. Now our second product is Gigabyte Gaming Graphics Card. The GeForce RTX 5070 is a powerful next-generation graphics card built on NVIDIA's advanced Blackwell architecture with DLSS 4 support, delivering smooth performance for modern gaming and creative workloads. Equipped with 16 GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory on a 256-bit interface, it offers excellent bandwidth for high-resolution gaming, ray tracing, and AI-enhanced applications. Support for PCIe 5.0 ensures maximum data transfer speeds and future-proof compatibility with the latest platforms. Thermal performance is well handled by the WINDFORCE cooling system, which efficiently dissipates heat to maintain stable clock speeds during extended gaming sessions. Overall, the RTX 5070 strikes a strong balance between performance, efficiency, and next-gen features. It's a solid choice for gamers and creators who want reliable power, advanced AI upscaling, and modern connectivity in a well-cooled, high-performance GPU ready for today's demands and tomorrow's upgrades. Our third product is ASUS Gaming Graphics Card. This SFF-Ready GeForce graphics card brings enthusiast-level performance in a compact, builder-friendly design. Powered by NVIDIA's advanced Blackwell architecture with DLSS 4, it delivers smooth gaming, strong ray tracing, and efficient AI-powered upscaling, even in space-constrained systems. Designed specifically for small form-factor builds, the 2.5-slot layout offers excellent compatibility without sacrificing thermal performance. Cooling is handled by axial tech fans, featuring a smaller fan hub that allows for longer blades and a barrier ring to increase downward air pressure for better airflow through the heatsink. Thermal efficiency is further enhanced by a phase-change GPU thermal pad, which improves heat transfer and helps keep GPU temperatures lower under sustained loads. The result is consistent performance, improved reliability, and quieter operation. Overall, this GPU is an ideal choice for SFF enthusiasts who want high-end performance, modern NVIDIA features, and effective cooling in a compact, well-engineered design. Now number 4, ASUS Gaming Graphics Card. This graphics card is built for users who demand long-term reliability alongside next-generation performance. Powered by NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture with DLSS 4, it delivers smooth gaming, advanced ray tracing, and AI-enhanced visuals. Military-grade components ensure stable power delivery and a longer lifespan, making it a dependable choice for heavy workloads. Durability is further enhanced by a protective PCB coating that guards against moisture, dust, and debris, reducing the risk of short circuits. The robust 3.125-slot design features a massive fin array cooled by 3 axial tech fans, providing efficient airflow and excellent thermal control. A phase-change GPU thermal pad improves heat transfer and outlasts traditional thermal paste, maintaining consistent performance under sustained loads. ASUS GPU guard and a reinforced bracket help prevent PCB damage and ensure secure installation. Built with Auto Extreme automated manufacturing and supported by GPU Tweak 3 software, this GPU offers precision, reliability, and easy performance tuning. And our last choice is ASUS Gaming Graphics Card. This graphics card delivers impressive AI and gaming performance, offering up to 1492 AI TOPS for modern AI-driven tasks and advanced workloads. The OC edition boosts clock speeds to 2,625 MHz in OC mode, with a solid 2,602 MHz in default mode, ensuring smooth and consistent performance. Cooling is a major highlight. The 3.2 slot design features a massive fin array optimized for airflow from 3 enlarged axial tech fans, pushing more air through the heatsink for better thermal efficiency. During light gaming or everyday use, 0 dB technology keeps the fans completely silent for a quieter experience. Thermal performance is further enhanced by a max contact design paired with a vapor chamber, ensuring fast and efficient heat transfer. A phase-change GPU thermal pad lowers GPU temperatures and improves long-term reliability compared to traditional thermal solutions. Combined with GPU Tweak 3 software for easy tuning and monitoring, this card offers a premium balance of power, cooling, and quiet operation. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.